So today we're making callaloo, which is my husband's favorite, and we have callaloo bush here, 12 leaves and 12 okras. Callaloo bush is also known as dashin bush. We're going to use 1 medium onion chopped, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 carrot chopped. You have a scotch bonnet pepper, pimiento pepper, and 3 cherry peppers. You have like a bunch of thyme here, maybe 2 green onions,
Yeah.
1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 coconut blend, and how many cups of water?
We took a coconut, we burst it, and we chipped up the jelly, we blend it.
And 4 cups of water.
Yeah, we strain out the coconut. This is the milk.
Pound of shrimp, because we don't have crab. Usually it's made with crab. We're gonna season it with salt and pepper.
Yeah.
So just bandhania and green onions.
That's an empty pot. And then add in the milk.
Onions, carrots, garlic, pepper and salt, thyme, and green onions. You're just gonna dump the whole peppers minus the stems. Dump the shrimp too.
Yep.
Alright, so we're gonna cover it and leave it to boil. Taking out the shrimp so that it doesn't get mashed up when we blend it. The shrimp back in. Using this butter,
Using quarter.
a quarter of that butter. It's done. It's great. Tastes amazing.